Let's get to some Trader Talk now with Michele Schneider. She is the Director of Trading and Education at the MarketGauge Group. Hello to you, Michele. And the consumer inflation numbers coming in this week with CPI. Plus, there's a Fed meeting that starts today. How do you, as a pro trader, address a week like this one? And what do you expect from the Fed?
Well, I expect the Fed to do exactly what the Fed has been doing all along, which is be more reactive than proactive. We heard both sides of the fence from Powell recently on a dovish case and also a hawkish case. So I think with CPI really basically following in the heels of PPI, if we see any type of softness, they're still going to be more focused on things that are strong in the economy, which would be like the labor. And essentially that's where their major focus is, and oil and gas prices, which have definitely come down. So I'm expecting the half a point raise, as is expected, I think primarily about 70% consensus. And we'll see how the market takes that.
The market just can't seem to shake the bearish tone. Do you see any glimmers of hope in the stock market?
Well, I do believe that we could see certain pockets of the market doing well, but I do believe that that what we're really seeing is a reflection of a lot of confusion about 2023. I think the biggest concerns for the market right now, besides obviously recession, which some people do not feel will happen, including myself in terms of the deep recession, is more of this stagflation environment. And Ange, if you think about what stagflation means, it establishes trading ranges within the market. Sometimes these trading ranges can persist for a very long time. So that's, I think, what the market is doing here, is trying to find a footing, but that doesn't necessarily mean optimism. What is your trade of the day? Well, one of our quant models, Global Macro, got into something I had been watching anyway, which is PHO. It's an ETF that represents water. Not just water in terms of the pure water itself, but also a lot of the companies that deal with the distribution of water, almost like a utility. And it's broken out. It's holding 50, which is a key area. And because our Global Macro has actually shown us the way of water, to use an expression, I think that has more upside, provided the market doesn't fall apart.
Thank you, Mish. Cute avatar wordplay.
Thank you, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.